Hi guys, welcome to Dharani's Max channel. Before going into this video, please like and subscribe for more videos. And today we are going to discuss about Max. So till now we have completed learning till exercise 1.2 and next is going to be exercise 1.3. But before going into that, in the previous video we have seen some solved examples, and in this video we are going to see the rest of the solved examples, and we are going to cover two solved examples in this video. This is part 2 of solved examples before exercise 1.3. So the first solved example show that 0.33 dot 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 is equal to 0.3 bar can be expressed in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Show that 0.33 dot 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 is equal to 0.3 bar. What is this bar represents? The bar represents on a particular number, and that number is going to be repeating like this. Okay, that is the bar here can be expressed in the form p by q. What is in the form p by q? Rational numbers are in the form p by q, so we are going to take, that is we are going to convert irrational numbers to rational numbers, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. So in the rest of the statement they are saying that it is rational number. So in this previous video we have converted number that is an irrational number to rational number, but this is a slight difference because this has bar on the number, so there is going to be a change in the method. So let's see. Let x is equal to 0.333 dot dot dot. That is the first equation. We are going to mark this as first equation, where x is equal to 0.33. So this number we are going to take it as x and mark it as equation 1. Since there is only bar over 3, that is one digit, it is the fact, right? Because there is bar over only one digit, and we are going to take a number containing single zero, that is 10. So the number containing single zero we are going to take, and we are going to multiply it with the first equation and going to make it as second equation. So multiplying equation 1, that is this equation, with 10 on the both side, that is on the left hand side as well as right hand side. So 10x is equal to 10 into 0.333. 10 into x is equal to 10x and 10 into 0.333. So when multiplying 10 into 0.333, the dot here will just skip a number, that is it is going to be the 3.333. That is the second equation. So have it in mind that a bar, that is the bar on particular number, if it is two numbers, the bar is on two numbers, means we are going to take it as 100, or the bar is on three numbers, means we are going to take it as 1000. So in the next example we will come to a clear definition, and here it is only one number, so we are going to take it 10 and we are going to multiply on the both side. Mark these two as equation 2 and equation 1. Subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, that is we are going to subtract 2 minus 1. So 10x minus x on the left hand side, and 3.33 dot 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 minus 0.33 dot 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 on the right hand side. So when you subtract 10x minus x, you get 9x, and 3.333 dot 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 minus 0.333 dot dot dot, you get 3. When the 9 comes this side, you get 9 divided by 9, as it is in the form of multiplication here. When it is coming on the right hand side, it will come as divided by 9. So x is equal to 3 by 9. This is the rational form of 0.3 bar. And you can also simplify this number, and when you simplify you get 1 by 2, as 3 into 1 is equal to 3, so 1 applies here. 3 into 2 is equal to 9, so 2 remains here. So the answer will be 1 by 2 or 3 by 9. and we got the rational form of 0.3 bar. So the next solved example is going to be, yes, so let's see. Show that 1.272727 is equal to 1.27 bar can be expressed in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. So the same sum, but the bars on two numbers. As I said in the before sum, when it is on two numbers we are going to take it as 100, and the bar, if the bar is on three numbers, we are going to take it as 1000, as 1000 has 3 zeros and 100 has 2 zeros. So let's see how to do. The same method we are going to apply. Let x is equal to, that is this number 1.27 bar is equal to 1.272727 dot dot dot, and mark this as equation 1. Since there is a bar over 2 and 7, that is 2 digit, we are going to take it as 100, as 100 contain 2 zeros. Multiplying equation 1 with 100, so 100 into x, we get 100x, and 100 into 1 point, that is 1.272727, and the bar will move a two numbers after, as it is multiplied with 100 and 100 as 2 zeros. So it will skip two numbers and the answer will be 100x is equal to 127, that is 127.2727 dot dot dot. Mark this as second equation. And you know the next step, that is we are going to subtract 2 minus 1, that is equation 2 minus equation 1. So when we subtract, we get 100x minus x is equal to 1 that is 127.2727 minus 1.272727. So when we are subtracting 100x minus x, we get 99x, and 127.2727 minus 1.272727, we get 126.000. So when 99 is brought this side, it comes as by 99, as it is multiplied here. When it come into right hand side, it will come as by 99. So x is equal to 126 by 99, and it can be simplified, that is x is equal to 14 by 11. So when you simplify 126 by 9, you get 14 by 11, and thus 1.27 bar is equal to 14 by 11. So 1.27 has been expressed in rational number as 14 by 11. So thus we got the answer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, share. See you in the next video.